I got video footage. He broke it.
When you get invited to one of YouTube's most notorious compounds, you better bring something special. Today, we're letting Adam LZ and his crew experience our R34 burnout machine for the very first time. Let the chaos begin.
We brought 3 sets of tires. So if you can't do it in less than 2 minutes, you can't compete.
Okay, so you got to blow the tires within 2 minutes?
Within 2 minutes.
Okay, and off a rev limiter.
It's a 15-minute cool down and we're ready to rock.
You want me to blow a set of tires off of this?
I don't give a fuck what you do.
Okay.
Don't say that, Dan.
I'll get in with you.
Okay.
And I'll do one quick little one so you see it.
Already done. Can actually see pretty well through the windshield considering how huge that thing is. It's not that bad.
No, it's not.
They're pretty fun. You're like, woo!
And then I thought we were going to the pump.
So yeah, a little bit of tire left.
And down to
Once the wheel starts spinning, just flick it all the way back.
Gotcha.
Pop them tires!
Pop them!
Oh, it's popped!
Oh, I think you still got one more.
Oh, you want me to pop both of them?
Yeah, go this way.
That's so cool. I was like, oh, I popped the tires. Like, do the other one.
No, you didn't do it. You only had,
I had one?
No. Right there, you popped it both same.
Oh, really? I saw a big chunk come over there. That's why I thought I popped it.
Now the ring pops off, and then you gotta pop it. Yeah.
Hey, you ever drove something like this, Adam?
I can't say I have.
You think you're ready?
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah.
All right, gearheads. We have some badass merch available on our website, hobbyshopgarage.com. So if you want to support our videos and want some merch as badass as this TV lit on fire in this random-ass desert, then head over to the website now, before they're all sold out.
Any temps or anything to watch out for, or send it? All right. Good blow, good blow. All right.
Send it. Let's see what happens. All right. Broken. Fucking Crickett. I'm sorry. No, I don't give a fuck. Let's kill it.
I thought it felt a little bit slow. I guess that was just one tire, huh?
Well, the second you felt the vibration, I was like, wait, hold on, what is that?
I didn't know if that was just a lot of wheel speed or what.
No. Please.
Whoops. One peeling.
No,
you won.
I two. It started with two.
Yeah.
I got video footage. He broke it.
I knew we should have let Adam go first.
No, this works out because I got to go before he broke it.
We would have had a very short, short run of that.
We wanted to show it to you, but now you get to really see the shop. Open all the drawers, you know, find all the tools. It's gonna be a great day. And you can join us for lunch now, because you ain't going nowhere.
Bro, Crickett's like,
yeah. Instantly, I'm like, I saw two tires turn and it wasn't me. Crickett, you broke it. Like, I got video evidence.
So, what did you discover?
this. Cool little piece that Drift HQ makes, right? Who did?
GK Tech.
GK Tech. And they do stock at the Drift HQ. This is, you remember we only had a certain amount of time to build it, but we only had too much knowledge for trying RV stuff, these kind of cars. Apparently we need this nice little spacer here, because when Adam shit whipped it, he actually yanked the shot directly out of the diff.
Time to break it.
Try two. Take two.
So who's next?
Booth wants a turn.
Booth wants to go for it?
Booth's been dying for a turn.
Come on.
Booth, do it. You've been, come on, dude.
We got two left. We got T's left.
I can't top you. So
Yes, you can.
You know what was cool is when we slid back around, it started to go back, and I was like, "There's a pond back there."
You ready, Goofy?
I'm ready. I ain't been so excited in a while.
You know how to do this?
No. I got a co-driver. He's gonna do everything I gotta do. I just gotta steer and hit the gas.
Yep. So right now we're hopping in the car with Mr. Booth, and he said he wanted to fuck it up, so we're gonna let him pop some tires and have some fun.
It'll go second, and then you pull the lever to go into third. Okay, should I just stay in second or go to third? Nah, go to third. Alright. Let it be. Like off rip? Yeah.
All right, gearheads. We have some badass merch available on our website, hobbyshopgarage.com. So if you want to support our videos and want some merch as badass as this TV lit on fire in this random-ass desert, then head over to the website now, before they're all sold out.
Let's turn it back. I thought I'd have more control. I didn't have very much control. That was rowdy.
Think about it, because you guys drive and drive and drive, and you're always moving.
Yeah.
But then you get yourself put in a box and go, how do I see?
Yeah.
How do I not hit a wall?
Yep.
And how do I stay on the throttle without letting off?
Yep.
But then popping the tires before 2 minutes.
Exactly. No, the tires popped and I was like, already damn.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I was like, I didn't think I went that long.
It's great.
But no, it makes you want to get better and get like a better lap in the box, you know what I mean? To show you got control and...
Listen, to be honest with you guys, it's the same thing that you guys do in a controlled environment. It's just, you're not supposed to be less than like 80% throttle.
Yeah, the whole time.
The whole time.
Yeah.
So you guys are on, off, touching the brake, you know, e-braking and shifting. You can't do it.
Yeah,
it's just
going
going
the whole time. Yeah.
Cross your fingers, you're not hitting them. It's crazy.
Good rig, man.
It is.
Wow.
It's fun. We just wrapped up a day at the LZ compound, Drift HQ. Had an absolute blast. We even got to see the BC Racing Porsche from Chelsea to Nova get the slide today, which was fucking epic to see. But Adam LZ, thank you guys. But the guy of the hour, John Porto, put this all together, so we're gonna let him post the fucking tires. Stop the hammer!